Welcome back to Ben's Garage. Happy New Year to you all out there in YouTube land. Today, as you might have seen from the title and the thumbnail, we're making some upgrades on the workshop. Still a lot going on in here, but this is just going to make my life a little bit easier. So as you'll see here, to my left, is a retractable airline. Now I've got my compressor down here. I've got a long airline, 15 metres or something. I wanted one on the wall so that if we've got the car outside, we can pull this out, pump the tyres up, or if I'm just doing something here, I can just have it on the wall rather than trailing around on the floor. As you can appreciate, being in a wheelchair, the less stuff that's on the floor, the better really. I don't want this workshop ending up like Hubnut's lockup. If you watch Hubnut, you'll know what I mean. I think he prides himself on being the messiest worker. I mean, it's no offence. If that's how you are, that's how you are. I'm not the most tidiest of people, but now I'm in a wheelchair, I've got to think practical. Airlines and stuff, if I can keep it off the floor, so it's up on the wall, pull it out when I need it, back in on its own. So today I'm going to get, with the help of the Hobbit, we'll get this mounted on the wall, but before I do that, I want to fit some new ends on it. It doesn't come with ends, but they're 3/8, and I think the ends that I've got are all 1/4. But also, while we're in the workshop, I'm going to see about putting this up. Got this for Christmas. Warning, Range Rover parking only, all other vehicles will be crushed. Doesn't quite work out because we've got an Audi sitting in here and we've got a Panda sitting outside. But it's just a bit of a laugh. I do like these metal signs. I've got a few to go up when the workbench is up and I've got the wall up. And we've got some old vintage road signs as well, which I'll be putting up as well. But I'll put that to one side. So, I've got a selection of airline ends. Now, which ones are there? Somewhere here, I've got European ends. No, can't see any. Anyway, I like these PCL airline fittings. I've always used these. I'm not saying that they're the best, but I always like them. So that wants to go onto there, but it's the wrong size. I think this is the one that I need. No, 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 yes. So hopefully this adapter will go on the end here, like so, and then I can put a PCL female end onto there, like so. Now we're going to make good use of the old Teflon tape, PTFE tape, whatever you want to call it. PTFE tape, Ruban PTFE. So I'm going to get some spanners and we'll do this. And then there's some fittings on this end. I'm not sure how I'm going to, because I've got another airline somewhere. I've got a short airline. This one came with it, but it's not going to be long enough to reach down to the compressor. But well, I might be able to, no, because I don't think I've got enough ends for that. I didn't get enough pieces. Having said that, that can screw into there. I don't know what I've got here. And that can screw into there. Oh. Like so. And then oh, it's like a Krypton factor, this. Some of our younger viewers won't know what the Krypton factor is. If you look it up on YouTube, the Krypton factor. Was his name Gordon Burns? Anyway, it was a bit of a use your brain game show. So that might go on there and that can go on there. That should go directly into there. Right, I think we got it sussed. So I need some spanners, PTFE tape, Ah, there's the other airline. So what I'm going to do is do it sort of modular. So where, I don't know if you can see this, if I just turn it round, where this goes in here, if I just put that in there with an end like that on it, I can put, that's a male end, so I can put a female end on here, so it can go male to female on there. So I'm not making a funny airline, so this airline could be used on anything afterwards. So that's what the plan is. So I'm going to attempt to do this now. I think the Hobbit's getting quite excited about the old Panda after we get the Audi done. I just pull the tails off. The thread's got the PTFE tape in it, so I'm just pulling off the excess. So we're good to go. We can get this on the wall now. So we're going to get everything set up, and we'll see you over there. So I've just started them in the raw plug, so I'm just going to tap them into the wall a bit more now.
Not all the way.
Right, I'm just going to connect the compressor up. I've already done this once, but I forgot to press record. Amateur error. Here we go. Oh, Jesus. Trials and tribulations of a YouTuber. Superb! So that's that bit done for the second time, just to show you lot. I might get some proper concrete lag bolts that have got their own raw plug on them, you know, like a concrete bolt, where I can put them in the holes. The raw plugs are alright, but I'm not too confident on their ability to hold in this mortar. I've drilled the holes out and that's not a problem, but they're just, as you're tightening them up, and there's a bit of weight on that, so I might just look at getting some concrete bolts and make it a permanent fixture. We're not going to put the sign up today because, as you might tell, it's been getting pretty dark. We're going to get indoors before we get rained on. Obviously, we don't get wet in the garage, but we've got to get from the garage back to the house. So the sign's going to go up another day. I'm not sure where that's going to go yet. Might put it up on this pillar here, so that when the door's open, you can see Range Rover parking only. But yeah, so hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little bit of a workshop upgrade. I can't remember where I got it from, but if it was Amazon, I'll put an Amazon link down below. It'll be an affiliate link. Whatever you buy through one of our links, we get a little bit of money from it. It doesn't cost you any extra, but it just helps the channel out, a little bit of income. So I'm quite impressed with that. It's going to make working in here quite a lot nicer. We're not going to have airlines trailing about all over the place. And yeah, good job done. So in the next few days we're back on the Audi, so do come back and hopefully we'll get all the Audi done, boxed up and good to go. So catch you in the next video. Bye for now.